Welcome everyone, it's Shari Carroll for SimonsSaysStamp.com, and I'm here to reveal and show some inspiration for our latest card kit. This is a limited edition Mother's Day 2022 and it's called You Mean the World to Me. So I'm going to start off with the 6x8 stamp set, which is called Better with Mom, and it features some flowers and even some orange blossoms and oranges and a nice bold font for your greetings and some smaller messages. This is also a great stamp set for all year round and spring card making. Also in this kit is a 3-part butterfly, so that it is a layering butterfly. So you have the dots that would go on the top, flowers, and then also the butterfly shape. So you can use these with your inks and also texture paste for a little dimension. We also have a set of Susie Plantamare's watercolor cards, and these are all flowers. You can have them either vertical or horizontal. There are 6 beautifully illustrated cards in this pack, and you can use these with your watercolors, your regular markers, or even your Copics to color in, since they're printed on a high-quality watercolor paper. We have a couple die sets for you in this kit. This first one says, "You mean the world to me." It cuts out the bold words all in one piece, and then you have the background shadow piece. The next set of dies is the flower bundle set, and this has all the pieces that you need to create a paper wrapped bouquet of flowers. Also in this kit is a pack of Heidi Swapp circle gems, and they have quite a nice reflection to them. We're also including some alcohol inks for you, which are great to color your gemstones. It's super easy. You can just add a few drops until you get the entire gem covered with the alcohol ink. The 3 colors that you'll receive are Laguna, Bubblegum, and Alcohol Pearls in Alchemy. And also to go with your alcohol inks, we're including a 4¼ by 5½ piece of UPO paper, which is perfect for making colorful backgrounds. Another fun item we're including is Amy Tangerine's Brave and Bold Puffy stickers. There's 45 in all, and these all have that hexagon shape where you can put them together in fun patterns. You'll also receive a sheet of the Tim Holtz Sentiments label stickers, and these have that adhesive back and they are plastic with raised letters. Next up are the papers for this kit, and I'm going to run through these a little faster than I usually do because there's so many. There are 36 sheets in total, and just take a look at these patterns. They are 4x6, which can go on a card front. They're single-sided. Some of these have a gold leafing to them, which is absolutely gorgeous, and the colors are so stunning. You will never run out of papers ever again. These designs are called Splendid from Paige Evans. And the variety is just incredible. So you have bold stripes, florals, tone-on tones, plaids, damasks, butterflies, and more. There is definitely something for everyone, and I found some of these sheets would also be great for masculine or man cards. This kit would be perfect for anyone that is just starting in stamping and card making. It would give them a really nice boost to have so many patterns of paper just to get started. And I'm not done yet. We have 2 envelopes for you. We have the Simon Says Stamp White, and it has that peel away adhesive, and also a slimline mint card that has the lick it to stick it. And finally, we have 4 cardstocks for you. This first is our matte gold. We also have Audrey Blue, Dull Pink, and Green Apple, and those are the Simon Says Stamp 100-pound cardstocks. That's it for the reveal portion, and up next I have some inspiration using all the products from this kit. I've created a card where I white embossed the flowers from the stamp set onto the pattern paper and used the bundle of flowers dies, and then also one of the labels for my greeting. Nina created a card using the You Mean the World to Me die, along with some butterfly stamps and greens, onto some pattern paper for a bright and cheery card. And Callie created a background with the alcohol inks and stamped and colored the flowers and added a message from the stamp set at the top. I hope you've enjoyed the reveal and inspiration of our Mother's Day card kit titled You Mean the World to Me. Be sure to check out the links below for how to purchase this kit and a link to our blog for additional inspiration. Remember, this is a limited edition and it will only be available while supplies last. And as always, thanks so much for watching.